Unfortunately, the governor keeps on throwing out figures here and there that have done this, we have done this. Unfortunately, there is imperial data somewhere here and there. I want to remind him, and as the aspirant has said, we had a water problem since 2013. There is a phrase they say in Gariss, waan, joognee, ogoow, meaning we were in Gariss also. This idea of throwing up figures here and there, I think is unfortunate. The governor just said here, they constructed 3,000 kilometers of piping in Gariss township. I have told you, I met the staff of Gawasco. They have never had a change of equipment since 2002, when this 2004, when this water pipeline was constructed.